Tuntuskehtiö Einarin haka Pitkäahteentie 3 Sääksjärvi Lempäälä.
Sääksjärvi Lempäälä. Pirkanmaa, Finland, Tampere, Tammerfors region. 4 persons were 325 kilograms. Okay. So it has 6 floors, built in 1981, ValmetSchlieren, so early 1981. VS 5934. It's going to be inspected in 2021 when it's turning 40 years old. Inspected by Kiva.
Or Kiva inspector.
Yeah, Kiva inspector. Maintained by Schindler. It was nice, a late ValmetSchlieren.
Yeah.
But we filmed another one in Pitkäahteentie.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I think also Finland would have loved our trip.
Yeah.
But I'll go with him to Pohjanmaa first of all, that would be amazing too.
Yeah.
And I have never been to Pohjanmaa other than just Vaasa and Narves.
Yeah.
So that would be also a very interesting trip. Yeah. Okay. And today is the 10th of July 2019.
That's